Do you remember the greetings? Yes? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and goodbye. Excellent job. Now let's listen together and put the words in the correct order.
Good morning. How are you today?
Fine, thanks.
2. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. A cup of coffee, please.
3.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. And you. See you later. 4. Good night. Sleep well.
Thank you. And you?
Yes, good morning. How are you today? Fine, thanks. Excellent job. So the first one is how are you today? Already solved. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. A cup of coffee, please. Very good. And then have a nice day. See you later. Very good job. Number 4. Sleep well. Thank you and you. Excellent job. Now let's move to another part in the unit and we have some vocabulary. So I want you to write the words that you're going to hear with each picture. So I want you to listen and repeat.
Vocabulary. 1. A book. 2. A computer. 3. A television. 4. A phone. 5. A bus. 6. A car. 7. A hamburger.
8.
A sandwich.
9.
A camera.
10.
A photograph.
11.
A bag.
12.
A house.
Now let's revise the answers together. 1. A book. 2. A computer. A television. A phone. A bus. A car. A hamburger. A sandwich. A camera. A photograph. A bag. And a house. Very good job. So these were very good vocabulary for Unit 1. Now let me ask you, what's this? A bus. Very good. How about this one? What's this? A car. What's this? A bag. Yes, very good. And what's this? A house. Excellent job.